What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to give you a recap of the plays that I'm still watching and what prices I expect next week for the market and where I look to enter and why I've been really patient with the overall market. The Dow, the SPY hitting new highs still. There are some red flags on my radar on why I'm still holding back and haven't really deployed any capital in the markets. Retail sales were up 9.8% in March. The jobless claims have dropped to their lowest since of last year of 2020 March. The businesses are reopening. The economy is, quote unquote, the most bullish it's ever been for a recovery. And of course, with the stimmy passing, these numbers aren't surprising. The 10-year yield is dropping as well, causing the markets to continue to soar as people expect a faster recovery with vaccinations increasing. All of this is looking bright. But take a look at these two headlines as of yesterday. JP Morgan sells 13 billion of bonds in the largest bank deal ever. Bank of America said not so fast. I'm about to break that record, in which today they set a record for the largest bank bond sale at 15 billion. Can this be something Michael J. Burry has been warning us about? Liquidity issues, liquidity problems. Is that what they're struggling with? Maybe they need this money for buybacks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. As for one of the plays that we've been waiting for on Tesla, which has earnings in 10 days, Elon Musk already kind of certified us that there might be a delay on the Gigafactory in Berlin and Austin, Texas until fourth quarter, in which analysts and investors have already kind of priced this in. But today he kind of solidified that with the tweet. It seems to me that this price of 740s might hold before earnings. Don't be surprised if you see 800 headed into the rally before earnings, like we've seen with Tesla. There usually is a dump after. Not even Tesla, pretty much any other stock. We saw that with Gamestop as well, in which it recovered. But I don't feel comfortable holding at these highs with the market reaching new highs. I don't feel comfortable swing trading it. To me, this is more of a scalp, a dip buy on the day, and just terminate that position, liquidate it before the market closes. That's how I'm going to be approaching Tesla before or headed into earnings, and we'll see what happens after earnings. If we do get that lucky price back in the $500, $600 range, that is where I'm looking to load the boat. GameStop. Deep F in value exercises options. He had 500 calls at $12, which equals out to $600,000, in which he did buy these shares. He exercised them and he doubled down. He's in a total with 200,000 shares. I'm excited to see what happens on Monday. This is one stock that I've been very, very careful with. I kind of expected a dip on Thursday and today, in which we did get. I do plan to rebuy some of those shares under 150. I do think we can possibly see under 150. The technicals on GameStop, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, on the daily, they're not looking the hottest. We have some resistance under EMA, but with this exercise position being a huge catalyst for GameStop, I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing some momentum upward headed into the annual shareholder meeting. Also, watch out for AMC, which seems to be tied with GameStop very, very closely. The next play is, of course, the one that has been stealing the show, Dogecoin. I took an L on Dogecoin back when it was at 5 cents. Do I regret it? Yes. Am I going to chase it when it was at 49 cents? Absolutely not. I said do not chase this. Wait for Dogecoin to pull back and find some support. That's the best thing you can do right now. Wait for it, see where it stabilizes, where you can say, hey, it's not coming down under this price level. It's bouncing from this price level. That can be a potential entry in which I'm looking for to hop in. There is going to be some resistance for Dogecoin at 50 cents. If we do see $1, we have to pass 50 cents first. Coinbase, which clapped me a couple of days ago, was one that I was up and it turned into a bloody position, in which I'm pretty sure a lot of people got wrecked on Coinbase, which it did not see any bounce. It saw no life, no support, nothing. Take a look at this on the 5-minute. Nothing. It came down from 430s and it did not bounce once. We rarely saw a green candle that day on the 5-minute. And as of now, here are my notes. I have wait for support and resistance levels to start to pan out. I know Ark and Kathy Wood, they have been buying Coinbase, which also caused the price to gap up from the 340s to the 360s. The next play here we have on our list is Viacom and Discovery. Another one that continues to come down. And some of you guys were saying, oh, it's rough, it's turning on me. I said just be patient on this one. This one's one that has more room for downside as we see more hedges blow up and come underwater. This is one that's going to be definitely affected as well. I did not include it, but GSX. Some of you guys also bought this one on the dip. Before discovering Viacom, I've been waiting for this one since 45, and I had a feeling it was going to come on down after it did not sustain the support levels. And as of now, from what it looks like, it's coming down. Discovery is coming down to retest at 34.60s double bottom. After that, if it comes crashing down under 34, that is probably where I'm going to start to initiate my position. Of course, as you can see, I have my alert. I'm remaining patient. And if I could possibly get in under this price level and start to initiate that position, I'm going to go for it again. This one, it might be a 1 to 2 month play. That's the way I see it. It's going to take some time for this stock to recover. So don't go all in. Never go all in. Don't put a big chunk of your portfolio in this one. I'm not a financial advisor, but this one might take a while to pan out. Discovery. Let's go to Viacom really quick. Same case scenario except for Viacom. This one's one that's actually pulling on back under the lows, or under that previous low we had here at 40 bucks. It's already under 40. It's at 39.35. The official closing price for today seems to me like it's right under SMA on the daily. So wait for this one to pan out. No rush on these stocks. They ain't going anywhere, baby. I'll see you guys Sunday. Those are for the stocks today. I'll see you guys Sunday for our live stream. Hopefully, we're able to trade Dogecoin live. With that being said, I'll see you guys Sunday. Or if not, I'll see you guys Monday for a brand new trading week. Peace out, team.